Hey, Danny, and welcome to my garage, around the house. Well, you're looking at the Die Hard 22 horsepower Kohler Commander. The drive belt has let go. So unfortunately, I've taken the mower deck off, and then you got to get up and get under there and reroute a new belt. So that's what I'm doing right now. Stay tuned. Okay, that's what we got. This is the drive belt. This pulley here goes around the engine pulley, goes back out, back through here, goes back under here, and then goes up to your gear pulley, which is a hydraulic pump actuated drive. That comes back out, goes over the top of this thing, comes back down around here, and then goes forward. Fortunately, it's broke off. It's caught up underneath the pulley back there. So we're at. Okay, this is where we're at. You gotta bring it. You have a little plate here I had to put in because it disappeared. You got this little plate here, and then it locks onto your belt pulley system here. When you flip that red switch up there, this magnet engages your belt pulley, which is this here, and that runs your belt, or the mower deck. So you got this piece right here. You got to disconnect that so this is movable, so you can get your belt around this little plate right here, and then you got another plate right there which keeps it on the inner pulley. Now you got to bring this back and bolt that back up. I was missing a bolt. It was gone. So anyway, now we're coming back through here. Get that in here, and then it goes back up over the top back there.